What's up, creative minds? Every smile here today. If you've not, please do. It's the Friday. Now I am iamsirangel and this is InversionGhana. Now Tip Friday is where we share a tip with you every Friday for your weekend. And today I'm going to share a Photoshop tip with you guys. I'm going to share with you how to change your Photoshop interface. Now we all know Photoshop comes with a dark gray interface. Now what if I told you there are other themes available that you can choose? Now without wasting much of your time, we jump into today's video after the intro. But please be sure to hit the like button, give us a comment in the comment section below, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, stay creative. Alright, so just go to edit, preferences, and interface. Okay, you can hit Ctrl K to get here as well. It's the default Photoshop shortcut to get here. So hit interface, and this is the default one. We have Photoshop has this one, that, and that. I prefer this one, so just select which one you want and hit OK, and that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this week's Tip Friday was exciting. Now see you in next week's Tip Friday, or the next video scheduled to release this Wednesday. Now please hit the like button, give us a comment in the comment section below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you get notified of any video we upload. Stay creative, keep smiling, and remember, I am iamsirangel. We are InversionGhana, and we're out.